Hello, these short videos were created to introduce Columbus Food functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using simple examples, we'll highlight key Columbus functionality that's being used by the confectionery industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of confectioners and their product lines. Columbus has the solution, experience, and support to meet confectioners' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights Columbus Foods' quality control and process data collection. The key topics will be data control elements, open quality control activities, and open data collection sheets. Data collection elements play a dual role used in quality control and data collection. Data collection elements are user-defined. As many as needed can be set up. Data collection elements represent various properties that need to be reported in QC and/or data collection. They are assigned a type, which will instruct the system as to the input that will be recorded for that element. Types are Boolean, yes or no, date, lookup, numeric, or text. A lookup allows for a user to define a list of available options. During input, the user will select from this list. The actual target values is completed at the master record level. We'll see this first in quality control and then again in data collection. Columbus's quality control and data collection are seamlessly integrated within Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Columbus created the quality control role center specifically for these modules. Data control elements are assigned to the master record items. These will be used to define the item lot quality control tests. Based on the data control element type, for each test, the target values are also populated. The system uses these target values to compare against the actual test results entered. This is the basis for the pass-fail. Must pass indicates that a quality control test must pass in order for that lot to successfully pass quality control testing. Open quality control activities have a status of pending, waiting for the actual quality control test results to be entered, and the eventual status of the QC test change to pass or fail. Here, quality control technicians can be assigned as well as schedule dates to indicate when the results are due to be entered. The General Fast tab maintains key information about the item lot's quality control activity. Recording the actual test results occurs on the Quality Control Results Fast tab. As these results are entered, the test date, time, and by is recorded. Values entered outside the previously established targeted parameters will result in that item lot's QC test status being set to fail, and possibly the entire QC activity failing. Once all the results have been entered, the user can indicate completion. Based on the results entered, the system makes a determination if the status should be passed or fail. The user can override this determination. The caveat is that none of the failed QC tests was set to must pass. Based on system setup, the lot status code may default to a code limiting the available transactions possible for that item lot. Process data collection allows the confectioner to gather information on a number of different processes that do not directly deal with the receipt or creation of items. For instance, measuring the temperature of the refrigerator or measuring the temperature of an oven based on a frequency during production. Other examples, capturing key vendor metrics upon receipt or assuring customer quality based on shipments. Master records and events are linked together through the assignment of data collection elements. This is a data collection sheet based on the event of production and the master records of item and resources. Recording the bacteria requirement for the item and the visual inspection for the resource has been completed. The temperature for the resource has multiple results recorded over a period of time. At the next temperature reading, we'll enter a result outside the acceptable target. This will trigger an alert to all members of an alert group. We'll see this alert back on the role center. For the data collection sheet, the status can be changed to complete, which finishes the business process. Here we can see the alert, which requires some type of action. One last point, a data collection element can be set up with a frequency to reoccur hourly, for example. If missed, an alert can be generated, notifying a group that the hourly result was not recorded. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.